Have you ever seen a friendship this sweet? This little baby has found the perfect companion, and it has 4 paws and a fluffy tail.
Soft kitty.
Not every beautiful moment needs to be exciting. Sometimes it's simply a baby resting peacefully while a cat sits nearby.
Hi, kitty. So cute.
Just two little friends enjoying being together. These quiet moments may seem ordinary, but they're often the ones that make the sweetest memories.
Aw, kitty, you're so cute. Hee hee, that tickles.
Around this tiny baby, this cat seems to slow down and become extra careful.
Aw, he's so cute. Yeah, pet him. He's purring. Let's keep playing. Aw, you're so playful.
Imagine growing up with your best friend right beside you every day. For this little baby, that friend happens to be a cat. When it's time for a nap, this baby doesn't need a fancy pillow, all they need is their fluffy friend nearby. To some people, a cat is a pet, but to a child growing up with one, it can become so much more.